Jocko Willink's Leadership Strategy and Tactics Field Manual is a must-read for anyone looking to become a better leader, providing practical advice and strategies for achieving success in any field. Leadership Strategy and Tactics Field Manual is a comprehensive guide to leadership, written by former Navy SEAL and leadership consultant Jocko Willink. The book is organized into 3 sections. The first focuses on the foundational principles of leadership, the second provides practical strategies for leading teams and individuals, and the third offers advice on how to navigate difficult situations and make tough decisions. Willink draws on his extensive military experience and personal anecdotes to provide readers with actionable advice for becoming effective leaders. Leadership Strategy and Tactics Field Manual is a well-written and practical guide to leadership. Willink's writing is clear and concise, and his personal anecdotes add a relatable touch. The book is filled with helpful tips and strategies, and the author's passion for the subject is evident throughout. One potential critique is that some of the advice might not be applicable to all readers. Willink's military background means that some of the strategies he suggests might not translate well to other fields. Overall, Leadership Strategy and Tactics Field Manual is an excellent resource for anyone looking to become a better leader. The book offers practical advice and strategies for achieving success in any field, and the author's expertise and passion for the subject shine through. I highly recommend it to anyone interested in business or leadership. For 5 stars. We would love to hear your feedback. Please subscribe, like, share our video review, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.